Are you tired of the traditional way of selling your house in Jupiter? Well, we've got the perfect solution for you. Ask We Buy Houses Cash in Jupiter has the Equity Protection Program. Forget about dealing with real estate agents and all the hassle that comes with it. We're not just agents, we're real estate investors, ready to buy your house for cash or offer you worry-free alternatives to sell on your own terms. No stressful negotiations, no costly repairs, and definitely no hidden fees. Our team will handle everything from start to finish, so you can sit back and relax. But wait, there's more. Our process is not only convenient, but also lightning fast. Once we understand your needs and situation, we'll work with you to create a tailored solution that works best for you. We'll agree on a fair price and complete a purchase agreement with easy access to the property. Here's the best part. We'll take care of all the marketing, screenings, and even coordinate with potential buyers for inspections and appraisals. You won't have to lift a finger, and when the time comes to close the deal, you'll receive 100% of the agreed upon selling price. No hidden costs, no surprises. Oh, did we mention? We'll handle any repairs required by the buyer after the sale. You won't have to spend a dime. So why wait? Sell house fast in Jupiter. Give us a call today for a no obligation offer. It's time to sell your house, as is the easy way.